How to change the setting on Rainbird Sprinkler Systems. Rainbird Sprinkler Systems are a very common brand when it comes to sprinklers. Rainbird Corporation manufactures several models of sprinkler heads and systems. Rainbird Sprinkler Systems come equipped with adjustable settings and an automatic timer, so your lawn will get watered even if you are not home or are asleep. Some adjustments for automatic settings include setting the timer to control the time that the sprinklers will turn on, and how long each section of sprinklers will run. Remove the cover to the Rainbird Sprinkler System control panel. Turn the dial to point in the direction of the setting for date and time. The year 1998 will appear on the screen. Press the to reach the current year. Press enter once you have scrolled up to the correct year. Select the current month and day. Leave the dial on the date and time position. The month will be shown as 0101. Press the button to reach the current month. Press enter to select the correct month. The other 01 will begin to blink. Press the button to find the current day. Press enter to select the day. Set the clock for the sprinkler system. The screen will show a cursor on the set time icon. Use the OR buttons to scroll to the current hour. Press the OR button to scroll to the current minute. Press enter to finalize the time. Choose a preset cycle for the sprinklers to run. Turn the dial to preset schedules. The first present shown on the screen will be 5pre1. Press the OR button to scroll to the desired preset schedule. Press enter to select the preset schedule. Turn the dial to the watering day position. This will allow you to select the specific day of the week on which you want to water. Press the OR button to scroll to the desired watering day. Press the OR button to scroll to the desired watering day. Press enter to select the day. Turn the dial to program start time. Press the OR button to scroll to the correct start time. This will determine when your sprinklers will turn on. Press enter to select the desired start time. Turn the dial to station run time. Press the OR button to scroll to the desired run time for station 1. Press enter to set the run time for the first station and proceed to station 2. Repeat this step until all the desired station run times are set. Turn the dial to the auto position. This will save your settings. Close the cover to the control panel. Tips warnings. 5pre1 will run all stations for 5 minutes each at 6 a.m., 10 a.m., and 2 p.m. 10pre2 will run all stations for 10 minutes every other day at 6 a.m. 10pre3 will run all stations every third day at 6 a.m.